Alright, we are actually here at 210 Performance, but not for what you think. And this conversation actually needs to be had in private. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
What's up, Solo? What's up?
You're a winner!
I'm a winner!
You're a winner! Like everyone's a winner!
Like
so he got a good eye, man. He got a good eye.
You got the dimples out that bad.
Yeah, that definitely made a huge difference, especially on the roof here, because that was bad. We had a couple right here on the quarter, so we got them right. We got them right. Supercharged V8, baby. America. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, so I have been waiting on this ever since I ran into this company, and they actually reached out to me if I could get this thing open and send me some product. At least you know they send it in good bubble wrap and packaging. Golly, it's either that or I'm just a weakling. Here we have some products by Shine Armor. Let me take this stuff out. So here we have the Shine Armor ceramic spray, and of course they provide the nozzle for you, and also they sent over their wiping towels. Actually, 2 of them. Yeah, here we go, 2 purple ones. This is the Graphene ceramic spray. This actually has hydrophobic properties that deeply enhance your shine. I like stuff like this because this is straight up ready to go out the box. I like something that kind of simplifies my details that I don't have to spend too much time on. Just something to maintain the paint and protect it in the long run. So let's go ahead and try this stuff out. Thank you, Shine. Don't act like you don't do it. Don't act like you don't do it. Stay at home all damn day. Every new Edge owner knows about this struggle right here. All the water, really it happens with all cars, but all this water always ends up dripping onto the freshly dried bumper, even hours after. So this is what I like to do. Oh yeah, not only is it good for cleaning the yard, but it's also good for cleaning cars. Oh, and by the way, this is a Cobra 24-volt electric leaf blower. I love this thing. And in fact, all of my yard work equipment and some tools, most of my tools is actually from Cobra. So Cobra, if you're watching this video, please sponsor me. Y'all can't tell me that that shine is not premium. This actually came out a lot better than I even anticipated. And to be honest, I've worked with many other ceramic coatings in the past, and this one came off a little easier than the ones that I have worked with in the past. And look at that. That is crazy. Premium protection from anything sticking on there. And as you can see, it just comes right off. Basically, the car now drives itself. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in Shine Armor, go ahead and click the link in the description below to get yours today. I'm extremely happy with the product, so huge thanks to Shine Armor. But today's video is actually not over because we are taking the very, very neglected Catfish to go get some work done. Let's hope this thing starts. Think about it, I don't think I've ever driven this car with the T-tops off. What is wrong with me? Hey, there's no greater feeling. I used to have a 1985 300ZX which had T-top, and I loved it. Every single minute, every single chance that I had to take those T-tops off, I would. Which is why I'm actually surprised I haven't driven this car without the T-top. Anyways, we're living in the moment right now. We're on our way, and I know this car has been neglected, but we're just so close to getting the Cobra done. I'm not ready. This car, hands down, has got to be one of the greatest naturally aspirated V8s of its time. And yes, guys, I rode the clutch a little on that ship. I haven't driven this car in such a long time. Cut me some slack. Alright guys, and welcome back to FRG Performance. It's been a minute, but we're here to actually do the fender rolls on the Camaro SS because I'm actually getting ready to finally drop this thing. No longer will it sit like a monster truck. And we have our guy, my brother. How you been, man?
Pretty good, pretty good. It's good to be back.
By the way, this gentleman has just come back from deployment, so we appreciate your service for this country. And you actually got a special little toy, didn't you?
Yes, yes I did.
Let's go check it out.
So I got it's a 94 Toyota Mark II. Most people who know about the Chasers know about the JZX platform, the JZX 90, JZX 100. This right here is a JZX 90, so it has it is a 1JZ twin turbo, still part of the same family as the Chaser. Yeah, this was a car that I wanted to help promote the business, and I wanted to learn a new platform. You guys have seen I've done the Subarus, I've done the Hondas, I've done Nissans, and I kind of wanted to learn the JZ platform. So
wow, look at that, guys. Check this out. I love the wheel combination. Kind of looks like a, I don't know, man, it's hard to explain. It kind of looks like a Camry that will just, yeah, make you regret running it on the streets. Now there's a car, I don't remember the name of the car, but it actually looks like it has the taillights from that car. I don't remember if it was like a Toyota or if it was a, I don't remember. It was kind of ugly, to be honest, but the taillights look like it's from that car. Alright, so we are definitely rubbing right here. I don't know if y'all guys can see that on camera. Now, the shocks, to be fair, they're completely worn on this car. It's one of the things that we're going to replace with the suspension. So I'm pretty sure once I punch it right now, it's really squatting down. It's not holding the weight of the car. But nonetheless, all this stuff is going to be switched out very, very soon.
The first thing I always do is get a flathead, and I'll go right behind the fender. A lot of the times they'll have a lot of dirt or debris or anything like that, and you don't have to really worry about it too much here in San Antonio. They don't salt the roads or sand the roads or anything like that, but like if you're in Corpus, it's something you want to do. Just go back there and you get all that crap out of there, because when you fold it, it's going to get stuck in there, and water gets in there and it'll start rusting the body.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Yeah, you want to make sure you get all that debris and dirt out from back there, so that when you roll it, there's nothing back there. If there's rocks back there and you roll it, what you end up doing is if you roll it too much, it'll start dimpling the outside of the fender.
Oh, yeah, so you'll actually be able to see it. And it won't be even as well, right?
No, it won't be even. You got a bunch of debris in there. There's a possibility you can start waving the fender. What they usually call is bacon fender. You want to get everything cleaned out from back there, start fresh, so you know, once there's no debris in there to ruin the roll, and two, you don't get stuff stuck back there that will cause it to start rusting.
Nice. fender roller, guys. I'll take care of you. Just like that, we're done. Alright guys, we got a special treat. We're actually gonna be taking a ride in the 1JZ, baby. Oh my god, that motor sounds so good. That exhaust sounds so good when it opens up.
And believe it or not, it's an HKS exhaust, so it's the quietest exhaust you can get for a 1JZ. I thought about putting another one on there to make it a little louder, but I like that I can have a conversation, like you and me can have a conversation.
Right. Yeah, that
without,
is annoying.
Yeah, without yelling at each other. But when I really want to hear it, all I got to do is just really get on it,
yeah.
And you can hear that famous Jay-Z sound.
Jay-Z sound really comes out in the high RPM.
The 1JZ is really rev happy. So the 2JZ is more of a lower end, bottom end, mid range. They don't really rev out as high, where the 1JZs, they're a little more rev happier than the 2JZs. So a common swap is to do the 2JZ bottom end with a 1JZ head, because you have all that revving out too. So you have the displacement of a 3-liter, but still have the rev out of that, 2.5.
Like, how can you not like JDM car? Do you hear that? Do you hear that?
It's just so easy to control. Having that whole built suspension on it, and it being a drift car, you could put a beginner person in this car and they'd be able to control it. It's so nice.
Alright guys, we got the Fenders Road. Big shout out and thanks to Fender Roller Guy. If you want to find him, I'll leave the information right here. Check him out. Highly recommend this guy. Thanks again, brother.
Yeah, of course.
And thanks again for your service. Alright guys, so those are the plan with the car. Pretty soon we're going to be dropping this thing. Now, I don't want to get too crazy with the suspension. This car has always been intended to be as budget friendly as possible without compromising too much quality. I'm in between the Ibot kit from Hawks Motorsports or the Viking kit. Now, I don't really see no need to go full blown Vikings kit because that's about $1,000, and the Ibot kit is about $400 some odd. We really don't want to push more than like about 500 naturally aspirated horsepower to the wheels on this car with some simple bolt-ons and a head and cam. Like I said, I'm in between. Y'all can let me know in the comment section below which do you think that I should go with. Now for those that are wondering about the paint job, it did fade a little, but to be fair, I didn't add any clear coat on this. So I left it out in the sun for about 2 or 3 months and it did start to fade. But I'm pretty sure if I would have taken the extra step to add the clear coat, it would have held up a lot better. But still not bad for a rattle can paint job. But yeah, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. If you enjoyed today's video, you know exactly what to do. And remember, be motivated, stay driven.